We all know that protein is an important nutrient for weight loss. Usually people take protein for muscle building. But if you take it properly, protein shakes can help you with losing weight. In this video, we will explain everything about how you can use whey protein for your weight loss goal. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. Protein shakes are simple drinks, a mixture of protein powder and water. Sometimes other ingredients are added as well. They can be a convenient addition to the diet when high-quality protein foods access is limited. One of the most popular protein powder is whey protein. It absorbs quickly, dairy-based, and contains all the essential amino acids. How to use whey protein powder for weight loss. Whey protein reduces your appetite. Whey protein decreases your hunger and appetite in two ways. First, it increases the levels of appetite-reducing hormones, and decreases the levels of the hunger hormone. Second, it helps you feel full for longer. So, if you're trying to lose weight, 20 grams in each shake will be sufficient. Whey protein increases your metabolism. In a 2011 study, the researchers of U.S. National Library of Medicine discovered that whey protein has the highest effect on metabolism process. It helps to boost metabolism, which is the way of converting foods into energy. The higher your metabolism, the more energy your body needs, and the more calories you burn. Whey protein to lose belly fat. High-protein diets can help you lose more fat, especially belly fat. In a study, researchers proved that consuming 60 grams of whey protein and 30 minutes of running a day can lose 10 pounds in 7 days. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.